Are your energy costs rising out of control? Wouldn't it be nice if you could simply switch off your energy consumption when it's not needed? Do you know where the energy-consuming loads are in your company? Every one of them, not just the big ones. Wouldn't you rest easier knowing where you could cut your energy costs by as much as 70%? Do you have control over your energy costs? Wouldn't it be reassuring if you knew what your electricity bill was going to be in advance? With totally integrated automation, you can keep a constant eye on the energy consumption of your plant and find every opportunity to save energy costs. Do you want to know where you can save up to 70% of your energy costs? Take a closer look at your motors. In industrial plants, it's the electric motors that eat up more power than anything else. Their operation often makes up more than 2/3 of your entire electricity bill. So put the brakes on your energy costs for motors right now. Replace those power-eating electric motors with highly efficient energy-saving motors. 40% less energy loss will quickly translate into more savings on your electric bill. Operate your motors with soft starters and reduce the peak load by 60%. Avoid using mechanical actuators and controls. Instead, rely on variable speed drives. Equip your motors with energy-efficient variable speed drives and reap power savings of 70%. Next, harness that valuable braking energy from each motor. Enable regenerative feedback capability on each variable speed drive and cash in on cost savings as high as 50%. Totally integrated automation will enable you to put the brakes on those costs created by your power-hungry motors. Why wait any longer? Your investment will pay off sooner than you think. Are you fed up with your energy consumption rising out of control? Then you should manage your energy intelligently. It's the only way to ensure that you never lose sight of your expected consumption. Install power monitoring devices with communication capability directly on the load. Use switchgear and protection devices with integrated measurement function. Circuit breakers with communication capability that show you how much current you are consuming in the whole plant or at each electrical circuit. And a universal communications interface lets you connect them directly to your control system, from the device level via connected controller to the automation and information networks. This way, you have all the latest information on consumption clearly laid out at one central location. The Siemens Power Management software integrated in the control system helps you achieve this. Put your trust in the intelligence of your power management system. And never again will you forget to plan in advance or to react in time without risking your production process. And how? Simply by switching off loads when you don't need them and switching them on when needed. An intelligent automation controller does this for you. It communicates continuously with the connected drives and switchgear in the main production process and in the auxiliary processes, and recognizes which loads are important and which ones you can do without. Your current production process is therefore not affected in any way, and you have the certainty that your energy consumption is always most efficient. With totally integrated automation, you always have optimum control over your energy costs. The resulting energy use reduction of your plant will make itself apparent on your utility cost very quickly. Cut your energy consumption with totally integrated automation with energy-saving motors, regenerative frequency converters, and integrated energy management system for intelligent control of all loads. Totally integrated automation for increased total energy efficiency.